To complete the table of values for the given function, we use the calculator and substitute given values of x to get the corresponding values of y. These are negative 0.55, negative 0.96, negative 1.35, and negative 1.70, rounded to 2 decimal places. To draw the graph of the function, we plot each point on the graph and draw the best fit curve line passing through all the points. Next, we need to estimate the root of the equation by drawing a straight line. The equation can be written in logarithmic form. Log base 10 of 6 x minus 1 equals 3 x over 2 minus 2. Subtract x from both sides, and the right side becomes x over 2 minus 2. So we can draw a straight line for y equals x over 2 minus 2. When x is 0, y is negative 2. When x is 2, y is negative 1. Plot these points on the grid and draw a straight line passing through them. Then, we find the intersection point to get the approximate value, x equals 2, which is the root of the given equation rounded to 1 decimal place.